Hi guys, welcome back. We have a new unboxing video. Just a few plants today on this gorgeous summer day, which will be a beach day, of course, for myself and the family. Amazing, beautiful. Okay, looks like we have one medium-sized plant and 3 smaller plants. Okay, here we go. First one is papaya, as you can tell from the leaves. Papaya sunny red, a torpedo-shaped and red papaya selection, bred in sunny Queensland. Small to medium height tree, great flavor and color. Mostly, I can't see that, but anyway. The next one is, well, this is a special treat. I've never seen this one available. It's Anona, as you can see. And it's called Bullocks heart. Pink Bullocks heart. So I guess it is a kind of Anona, custard apple. And well, this is meant to be truly tropical. I can't read it too well, guys. I haven't got my glasses. A distinctive heart-shaped fruit of the custard apple family, with rusty brown skin. Flesh is a creamy flavor with a pink something. So it's pink fleshed, suited to subtropical growing. Okay, so maybe it's not truly tropical, I'm not sure, but we're gonna give it a go here. I've had no luck with the poshti. I've lost like 2 or 3 poshtis that just don't work here in Melbourne, unless I get like total protection indoors, and I don't do indoors. So if they don't work outdoors, not interested. Yeah, so we'll see how we go with the pink Bullocks heart. Doesn't sound very nice. A cow's heart, the name given. It's got new growth, which is always nice to see when you receive a tree. Next is another rare one I've never seen. It's called the perfume guava seedling. So it doesn't smell like perfume, so we're talking about the fruit. This is pretty small, as you can see, but nice to have in the collection. We like guavas. I think guavas are awesome, not only for the fruit and the medicinal values, but I think they're very attractive. This one is very different. I've never seen guava leaves like this. That'll be interesting to see, and it should work well here. The yellow fruit is aromatic, sweet and juicy. Ooh, we like that. Let's see if it's a true guava. I can't see, guys, but I hope you got to read that. Anyway, we'll be doing further videos on these plants over summer. This is just a quick unboxing, and there we have a second sunny red papaya. I got 2 of them. Should have got 4, but we'll see if 2 work. And that's today's unboxing. The second week of summer here in Melbourne, Australia. Wish me luck. Well, I'll need all the luck in the world with the Anona, custard apple, and with the papayas. That's more of an experiment. I really don't think I'm going to get fruit, but who knows. I'm going to put them straight in the ground because it's summer. I don't want to fool around with pots. And if they make it to April, May, which they should, then I'll protect them for winter with a frost cloth. Alright guys, that's today's video. Like I said, we're off now for some summer fun at the beach. Got a lot of work though to do here in the garden. It's a beautiful 25, 26 degrees today, but the lawns need to be mowed again. That's like every 2 weeks. As you can see, the grass just comes up straight away. There it is. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.